Brandon, what's up, brother? Dude, number one, what a story. Wow, that's incredible. Talk about crazy. You know, I started to read your message. I was like, holy cow. And then I was like, oh, wow, what an outcome, man. You know, you turned your hard life lessons, you turned the heartbreak, you turned your wounds into your freaking weapon. How cool is that, man? And that's how God works, bro. He's so good, man. Well, number one, I want to tell you, I'm proud of you. Listen, I have a coaching company that does anywhere from 300 grand to 500 grand a day. So I get it. I know what you want. So I understand everything you're saying. And I love that, man. There's nothing more powerful than building your organic audience. It sounds to me like you're a rocket ship waiting to freaking take off and just blow up. I'm not going to let that happen, bro. I got you, man. I love you. I appreciate you. I'm glad you reached out. Let's fix this. Let's make a plan. Okay, so I want you to text me. All right, are you ready? I want you to write this down. Ready? 40. I want you to do God's work. God opens doors humans can't close. Let's grow this thing. Let's go psycho, and let's get you reborn, brother. Okay? Shoot me a text. Since you have my personal cell phone number now, you can just text me directly. Okay? I love you, bro. Sleep like a baby, because we're about to put together a plan to change your life. We're about to make history and break history. Okay?